In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save your Gmail attachments to Google Drive. So if you just want to move them to a folder and have them easily accessible in Google Drive, this video should help you out. So leave a like if it does. So what you need to do is go to Google Drive. You can do that by just opening up any Google tab. You can then go to the Google apps in the top right, and you then should be able to find Drive, scroll down if you can't find it and click on it. Once you're inside of Google Drive, you can then go to New in the top left-hand corner, and what I would do is create a new folder, and I'm going to call it Attachments. After we've done that, we can then click Create, and then you'll be able to see that folder in My Drive, so here it is. Now what we can do is we can double-click on this, and we can just make sure that all of our attachments go to this. So now go to your email. You may have multiple emails with multiple attachments, but go to the email and then next to the download button, which you hover over the attachment, you'll see Add to Drive. Click on that and then click Organize. It's then going to open up this window where you'll be able to choose the folder you've just created, then click Move. You can do this for all of the attachments in all of your emails. And then if you go to Attachments, Folder, as you can see, that's updated and we've now saved this attachment to Google Drive.